This is the question given to us. We need to find dy by dx. The right side, what we have, lot of terms with degrees. When we find such thing, here also we will apply log on both sides. Previously we have applied log when base has x and power has x. Now why we are applying log? When we have fractional degrees and lot of terms. Suppose if I directly differentiate on both sides, what I will get d by dx of u by v form. Again u by v form contains uv form, again inner functions. To avoid that, what we will do, apply log. We will take log y and log of whatever on right side. Now, when we have log a by b, can be written as log a minus log b. So this whole thing is numerator is a, denominator is b. So how can we expand this one?
Log 1 minus 2x
Log a.
minus 1 minus
Clear? After applying log, what we did? Log a minus log b. Then these two are multiples. So log ab. Log ab is
log a plus log b.
log a plus log b. Now this one is log a plus one more log, then b. Minus means minus of total, whatever you have, minus sign is for all. Log a plus log b, bracket close. Now whatever given, log a power n. N comes before log. M log a. 10th class, real numbers, note exercise. This 2 by 3 comes before log. Minus 3 by 4 comes here. Then minus 5 by 6 comes here. Minus into plus is minus. Again minus 6 comes here. How we got plus?
Minus plus.
Yes, the degree has minus sign, so minus comes and minus sign will be. This is minus, this is also minus, but because of the degree, it is positive. This is expanded form of whatever given to us. Once we have expanded form, we have to differentiate now. Differentiating both sides with respect to x.
So differentiating both sides, first step in use karo.
Starting, check it out. D by dx, d by dx. Then which form you will get?
U by d.
Then in denominator, v square. V square means what is v that time?
Two terms.
Two terms, heavy values. That's why we will not use the direct method. We will use this log method to get simplified answer. You can get that answer also, that is also right. But what we have to do? Simplified answer meaning, that is the reason we have to apply log values whenever powers are there. Answer is anyhow long itself, but simplified answer. D by dx I am applying, so I am taking numbers outside. Here d by dx I am applying, so log of 1 plus 7. Now, log y derivative. 1 by y,
D by
d by dx. 2 by 3 into derivative of log this value.
X. 1 by
1 by x into d by dx of inner function. Because of insufficient place, I am differentiating inner function directly. This is 0, this is minus 2 outside into 1 minus 2 or d by dx of inner function you can write minus 3 by 4 d by dx of log. Consider this one to be x 1 by x into
D by dx of x.
d by dx of inner function minus 5 by 6 log x
1 by minus 6.
into d by dx of 1 minus 6x plus 6 by 7 d by dx of log x
1 by minus 7x.
into d by dx of 1 plus 7x. Now 1 by y dy by dx as it is equals to 2 by 3 1 minus 2x into in bracket I am differentiating d by dx of 1 0 minus 2 outside d by dx of x is 1. So what you will get in the bracket? Minus 2 minus 3 by 4 into 1 plus 3x into in bracket what I will get? 1 is 0
3.
3 into 1 3 then minus 5 by 6 into 1 minus 6x into if I differentiate what I will get? Minus 6 plus 6 by 7 into 1 plus 7x into 7 not cancel not cancel. Therefore dy by dx equals to this y is cross multiplied y into minus 4 by 3 into 1 minus 2x minus 9 by 4 into 1 plus 3x minus into minus plus 5 by 1 minus 6x plus 6 by 1 plus 7x bracket close. This is the answer for dy by dx. One more if you see you will get that correct idea regarding this. Y is equals to is given to us. We are not differentiating because we find fractions. How can we find fractions? Root is also a fraction 1 by 2. Cube root is also fraction 1 by 3. So first we will write apply log on both sides. Log y equals to log. After applying log, this is x power 4 in bracket 4 power 1 by 3 divided by 4x square minus 7 whole power 1 by 2. Now which form we have? Log a by b. Log a. Log numerator we can say minus log of denominator. This is log a into b. Log a plus log b. After log a by b form, we have log a into b form. Here we don't have any term extra as it is. Now powers will be taken before log. Okay. This is log y. After this step, after applying log and simplifying log a by b, log a b form, m log a form, we have to differentiate both sides with respect to x. Now d by dx for this value 4 outside because 4 does not have x value 1 by 3 is coefficient, so d by dx of log of x square plus 4 minus 1 by 2 into d by dx log 4x square minus 7. In next step, this is log y because this is considered x value 1 by x into, because it is not x, d by dx of inner function. 4 into d by dx of log x directly. 1 by x, no inner function for this. 1 by 3 into d by dx of log, we are treating this one as x. 1 by x into, why we have not done for this one? Inner function is x. If I take d by dx of x also, that is 1 anyhow. Log x is
1 by x minus
1 by 3 into x square plus 4 into derivative of x square, constant is 0. Four into derivative of x square, 2x, constant is 0 anyhow. Now y is cross multiplied. dy by dx equals to y into 4 by x plus 2x by 3 into x square plus 4 minus 4 to the 8x by 2 into 4x square. You can cancel this 2 and 8 also. Y value no need to substitute. Y is also is the answer. So in answer there is stop here. If you want to substitute, you can write y once again over. If you write also no issue. If you not write also no issue. We find squares, cubes. It's up to you to do directly or apply log. I'm applying log so that I can get the expansion easily. Log whatever given. C minus 2x whole cube. This looks like log a by b. Log a minus log b. Then it look like a into b. So log a plus log b. Now powers come before log 2 log a minus x. This is log y. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. D by dx of log y equals to 2 into d by dx of log a minus x plus 3 into d by dx of log b minus x minus 3 into d by dx of log c minus 2x. This is log y. 1 by y d by dx of y or dy by dx. 2 into log, treat this one as x. 1 by x into d by dx of inner function. Different way I am writing. 1 by x into d by dx of inner function. In bracket. Minus 3 into 1 by x into d by dx of inner function. Now this is cross multiplied. dy by dx equals to y into 2 by a minus x into, this is 0, this is 1, so minus 1, plus 3 by b minus x into, this is 0, this is minus 1, minus 3 by c minus 2x into 0 minus 2 into 1, 2 bracket. Okay, got it now? Lot of giving you in homework, but anyhow, check this. What is given to us? Y is equals to. Before applying log, I can write this one as x minus 3 power 1 by 2, x square plus 4 power 1 by 2, 3x square plus 4x plus 5 power 1 by 2. Square root is there for all numerator and denominator terms. That's why we can take 1 by 2 to all the values. Apply log on both sides. Log a by b.
Log a minus 1.
Now log a into b. As it is. Whole power value, what we'll do, we'll take before log. Log a power n is m log a. Starting what we have done. Applied log on both sides, not differentiated, not till now. Then after applying log, we find this one in a by b form. That's why log a minus log b. Again by saying this after log, we find a into b here. So log a plus log b expanded. Then we find powers are there. Before log, we have to take. Now why we have applied the log? The thing is completed. Now we have to differentiate. Differentiating both sides, d by dx of log y, 1 by 2, d by dx of log x minus 3, plus 1 by 2 log x square plus d by dx of log x square plus 4, minus 1 by 2 log d by dx log. Now one step directly I am doing in this case. D by dx of log y is
1 by d by dx.
1 by 2 into log x is 1 by x into inner function derivative. Not writing d by dx.
Yes,
No. Log x is
1 by x square plus 4
into
2x
2x plus 0 or 2x. 1 by 2 log x is 1 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5 into differentiating x square is 2x, 2x into 3 is 6x, differentiating x is 1, 1 into 4 is 4. In this way we can write this y, we can cross multiply and conclude. Studiers will start new unit.
ये कौन है?
Quite easy but time consuming problem. Take this. Y equals to given to us. Will not apply log, will differentiate it on both sides. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. D by dx I will consider for y. D by dx I will consider for this term, total term. X into root a square plus x square plus a square outside. Why a square outside? Coefficient constant we can take out. Log x plus root over a square plus x square. Okay. Now, this is in which form?
Given to me.
U d by dx of v plus b plus a square into log this total thing is x. Write in bracket into d by dx of inner function. So what I did, inner function derivative to add directly. Now what we have to do here, x into d by dx of root whatever value is x, 1 by 2 root x into d by dx of inner function. Or you want me to write the step? Okay, plus root over a square plus x square into 1 plus a square on the a square divided by x plus root over a square plus x square into 1 plus root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x into what?
A square plus d by dx of x square.
Inner function. Next, x by 2 root a square plus x square into, this is 0, I will not write 0. X square derivative is 2 into x power 2 minus 1 or 2x directly plus a square by x plus root over a square plus x square into 1 plus 1 by 2 root of a square plus x square into, this is 0, this is 2x. Numerator is x square by root over a square plus x square plus root over a square plus x square plus a square by x plus root of a square plus x square into, if I write 1 by 1, 1 into root of root a square plus x square, this is root a square plus x square plus 1 into x is 1 x or x, 2 to cancel na x okay. Now two things are getting cancelled from this one, x plus, this is also x plus, same thing, total. This and this cancel. Remaining will write x square by root of a square plus x square plus root of a square plus x square plus
a square
by root of a square plus x square. Nothing means by 1. Now LCM. 1, 2 times, so single time we write a square plus x square. Wherever this is there, we write just numerator. Here 1 is there, so multiply this one.
Whole square.
1 is there, no? We can multiply this one, you can take this value here, square. Plus, denominator is there, a square. Square root cancelled. X square plus x square, a square plus a square. 2a square plus 2x square divided by root of a square plus x square. 2 common, a square plus x square by root over a square plus x square. Check the answer. Answer does not have that one. So what we can do? Single 2 is there. Suppose I can write single 2 as root 2 into root 2. Single 3 is there. Suppose. So what we can write? Single value 2 times under
Yes,
root.
yes.
So here 2 into root of is given. So I can write this one as 2 into root is not there. So I can write this one in root how many times?
2 times.
2 times divided by root of a square plus x square.
Cancel.
So this is 2 root of a square plus x square. Value for dy by dx. Okay.